Tunaposema there is no other God. Siku moja nikitoka kazini, I saw the hand of God. Whereby nimekitembea pale, kuna maji kwa barabara. And I was like, nitapita wapi? Dakika moja comes, wants to knock me. I'm not aware. Ilipofika mahali pale, ikakoma pale. From nowhere God stood. I came to realize there is God in heaven. There is God wherever we walk. He always protects us. No matter what we go through life, no matter where we are, there is God. Unapoenda kumwabudu Yesu, mwambie Bwana niko mahali hapa. Daudi alipokuwa bado hajakuwa the king, David went through process to be a king. The same case to you. Jambo